Hey y'all, today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my sales from the past couple of weeks, the ending of March 2022. So if that sounds interesting, just keep watching. Let's go ahead and start off this video by saying my Poshmark sales are dead. I mean, if I'm making 1 or 2 sales a day, I'm jumping up for joy. Now that I mentioned how slow my Poshmark sales are, let's go ahead. I'm going to share with you what I sold these past couple of weeks. So I want to say about a month and a half ago, I got a ton of Bowden dresses for $1 at my Goodwill Dollar Day. I've sold almost all of them. They're mostly selling between $30 and $40. I sold 3 this past week, so I'll pop them up on the screen. This one is called the Anna dress. It was just a long sleeve solid dress. I sold one called the Avril blue jersey dress. And then I also sold one, this is Poshmark, so it's not telling me the title, but it was like a tie at the waist dress, really cute. That one sold for $37. So yeah, all between $30 and $40. Bowden is a brand I definitely do pick up, especially if the price is right. And $1, I'm gonna pick it up all day. Here's something else I picked up for $1. These are actually scrubs and they sold super quick. I'm definitely going to be looking out for these at my Goodwill Dollar Days in the future. Carhartt scrubs, I probably would actually pay full price for these. It was that quick of a sale. Carhartt scrubs, these were a great size 3X. They sold for $35 on eBay. Love that. I'm not huge into looking at scrubs when I'm at thrift stores. I don't really know what I'm looking for. The only thing I ever hear really is figs, look for figs, which I still haven't found. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking out for Carhartt. That seems to be like a little bit of a bolo, especially when you get it for $1, right? Okay, this was kind of a surprise sale. I got this at the bag sale, so I paid less than 50 cents for it. This is Signature by Robbie Lee. I've never picked up that brand before, but I love to pick up silk, and I thought this was a beautiful tiered dress, perfect for a summer vacation or even a photo shoot. That one sold for $37. These Smoke Rise jeans, these sold for $45. Smoke Rise is a men's denim brand that I absolutely love to pick up. Sometimes at the bag sales, they will let us put shoes and accessories or even jewelry sometimes. It's just like random. You gotta ask each time at the bag sale. I got these Cole Haan shoes, so yeah, paid less than 50 cents for these. They sold for $75. Cole Haan is honestly a brand I don't really look into much. Whenever I see it at thrift stores, I guess I don't really pick it up. Glad I picked these up. I need to look more into them whenever I'm out thrifting and pay more attention. Look up the styles. These were a great size 11.5 and they were also in excellent condition. So yeah, if I see these out thrifting, I would probably pay full price for this. All right, let's jump over to some Poshmark sales. This was a super quick sale. I love to pick up Lily Pulitzer. I've even started picking up some of her really basic pieces. I've picked up a couple these past few months and they sold really quick. This is just a cold shoulder top, sold for $29. I wanna say within 3 days, 4 days of listing it. So yeah, pretty much anytime I see Lily, I pick it up when I can get it for a good price. I did sell a few jackets, even though we're going into summer, springtime. It's already super hot and humid where I live here in South Mississippi. But people are still buying jackets, y'all, so that's why it's important to list year-round. I sold 2 Lululemon jackets. They were to the same buyer. They made 2 separate purchases. Maybe they were just new or didn't know how to do the bundle feature. You guys let me know, what do you do whenever you see someone buys 2 separate things from your closet and pays shipping twice? My biggest sale this past couple weeks was a brand I love, 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 Bolo, Bolo, Bolo. Arc'teryx, I don't know how you pronounce it. I picked this up for I think $4. About a month and a half ago, it didn't sit long. I priced it high and I told y'all in the Goodwill video I was going to price it high. It was a size extra large, it was pink, it was in excellent condition. You may even consider it new without tags. I priced it at $150. Someone came in with a $127 offer, then paying shipping. I do not offer free or discounted shipping on Poshmark, and I gladly accepted it. I'm gonna leave the logo for Arc'teryx right here on the screen. If you ever see that logo, buy it. Everything I've purchased from this brand has sold very quickly for a good amount. Y'all know I'm on Facebook Marketplace now, and the sales have not really been like rolling in. I maybe make like one sale a week is what it's looking like. So I don't know. Not too crazy about Facebook Marketplace. It's definitely outperforming my Depop store. You guys, I don't know how I feel about Depop. In my next What Sold video, I think I'm going to announce if I'm still going to be selling on there. I haven't sold something, I think, in 3 months now. So to me, it's like I haven't even been cross-listing over there. That's probably a huge factor. Anyway, yeah, not a huge fan of Depop. Kind of not becoming a huge fan of Facebook Marketplace either. But here is what I did sell. This was a Dress Barn jacket. I sold this for $6, and I have been charging shipping on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, I didn't make a lot off of that Dress Barn jacket. And then the only other thing to sell, these are not high dollar sales, y'all. A Torrid skirt, I got that for $1, sold it for $19. Plus shipping. So yeah, those were my 2 sales. Hardly any sales in Mercari. Nothing noteworthy that I would like mention in this video. Remember, these videos are just for me to share like Bolo brands or things that I would 100% pick up again if I saw it. So I try not to share like bread and butter sales, but let me know, you guys. Maybe I'll start doing maybe 1 or 2 extra videos a month where I just share a bunch of bread and butter sales. Let me know if you guys would like that in the comments below. And remember, if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It is completely free. I would love to have you. I try to put out frequent content here on this channel. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go thrifting, but I will see you tomorrow for a new fun video. Bye, y'all.